Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert images into a table on Notion. If you've ever wanted to organize information visually, or maybe you're making a database for recipes, products, or like we'll do now, a collection of fruits, by the end of this video you'll know how to add pictures right inside your Notion tables. It's a quick, useful skill that can take your Notion pages from simple to seriously helpful. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion workspace. If you're brand new to Notion, your workspace is basically your digital home base, the space where all your pages, tables, and projects live. So once you're there, what you want to do is create a brand new table page. There are a few ways to do this. Personally, I just hit the side menu, click on Add a Page, and then select the table option from the templates that show up. Give your new page a title, maybe something like Fruit Table or whatever works for your project. Now that you have your table, it's time to customize it a bit. Click on the first column header and rename it to Fruit. This is where you'll be listing out the names of each fruit you want in your table. Next, let's set up the second column to actually accept images. Click the column header for the second column and change the property type to Files and Media. This is super important. By doing this, you're telling Notion that this column will store files like images instead of just text. Alright, now we can start populating our table. In the first column under Fruit, go ahead and type the names of the fruits you want to showcase. Apple, banana, and grapes. You can, of course, add as many as you like, but let's keep it simple for this example. Now here comes the part that really brings your table to life, adding those images. For each fruit, you'll need the matching image saved somewhere on your computer or downloaded from sample data, just like you would with any digital photo. So if you don't have images handy, pause here and grab some from your files or use any sample pictures you like. Don't overthink it, any clear image will work as long as it helps you visually recognize each item. For every fruit row, just move right over to the Files and Media column, click on the empty cell next to the fruit's name, then select Upload from the options that appear. Now browse through your computer, pick the correct image and hit Open or Choose. Notion will take a moment to upload the image and then, just like that, it appears right there in your table row. Repeat this step for all your fruits or whatever items you're keeping track of, and that's it. You've just created a table with both names and images in Notion, simple, clear, and actually pretty fun once you get the hang of it. Having images in your table can make data more engaging, break up the monotony of text, and help anyone using your Notion page quickly scan and find what they're looking for. So I hope this quick tutorial helps you make your pages much more visual and organized. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, just drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy building in Notion.